Have you ever had a harmless-looking houseplant and then discovered it can help with digestion, skin, blood sugar, but can also damage your liver if you use it the wrong way? Yep, aloe vera. And wait, because there's a detail almost nobody talks about. The difference between the aloe that helps you and the aloe that harms you is separated by just a few millimeters. Literally. If you want to learn how to unlock its benefits safely, which part of the plant is truly useful, and which part you must avoid no matter what, stay with me because what you'll hear today might change the way you use this plant forever. And before we dive in, if you enjoy clear, practical content backed by solid science, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Aloe in your mouth. More powerful than you think. Let's start in an unexpected place, your mouth. If your gums bleed when brushing, if you get mouth ulcers that take weeks to heal, or if you deal with oral thrush, aloe gel can be a real ally. Why does it work so well? Because when you use 1 tablespoon of gel diluted in half a glass of water for 2 minutes, bacteria that cause bad breath, cavities, and gingivitis drop by up to 70%. The gel forms a protective film over wounds. Its polysaccharides speed up tissue regeneration. It's like putting a natural bandage inside your mouth. And if you're wondering about thrush, aloe isn't harsh like strong mouthwashes. Its antifungal compounds work without wiping out your entire oral microbiome. When aloe enters the bloodstream, sugar under control. Once aloe goes from your mouth into your bloodstream, things get even more interesting. If you struggle with pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, you may have heard aloe can help. And yes, there are real mechanisms behind this. When you take 30 milliliters of pure gel 30 minutes before meals, glucomannan slows the absorption of sugar. You avoid those glucose spikes that exhaust your pancreas. Asamannan improves insulin receptor sensitivity. In simple terms, your body uses glucose better and needs to produce less emergency insulin. Many people see a 15 to 20 point drop in fasting glucose. Is it miraculous? No. Is it useful? Very. As long as you're not on glucose-lowering medication without medical supervision. Aloe can potentiate their effect and cause hypoglycemia. If that's the case, talk to your doctor first. The dangerous part of the plant? You must avoid. Here comes the critical part. Aloe has 2 faces. The clear gel, benefits. The yellow latex, problems. That yellowish liquid that oozes out when you cut the leaf contains aloin, a laxative so strong it can cause diarrhea, dehydration, cramps, liver damage if taken continuously. In fact, since 2002, the FDA has banned its use in over-the-counter laxative products. The bad news: many people consume it unintentionally when they blend the whole leaf. The good news: with the right technique, you can remove it completely, and we'll get to that next. How to prepare aloe without risking your health. This step is crucial. This is where aloe becomes either your friend or your enemy. The 5 essential steps. 1. Choose mature, thick outer leaves at least 3 years old. 2. Cut the leaf at the base and place it vertically. Tip down for at least 15 minutes so the yellow latex can drain out. 3. Rinse the leaf under running water for 2 minutes. 4. For maximum safety, soak it in water with a splash of vinegar for 5 minutes. 5. Remove the skin carefully until all you have left is the clear gel fillet. The gel shouldn't taste bitter. If it's bitter, there's still aloin. Wash it again. In the fridge, it lasts 1 week. Frozen in ice cubes, much longer. Digestion, where aloe truly shines. Aloe is a balm for your digestive system. If you take 2 tablespoons of gel on an empty stomach, it forms a protective film that soothes acidity and reflux. Its polysaccharides calm inflammation. Aloesin stimulates digestive enzymes for people with IBS. Less bloating, less gas, more regular bowel movements. Even your gallbladder benefits since aloe gently stimulates bile production for better fat digestion. If this content is helping you understand how to use aloe safely, hit subscribe and let's keep learning together. Vitamins that boost your energy. Aloe is loaded with B vitamins. B1, thiamine, crucial for the nervous system. B2, riboflavin, turns carbs and fats into energy. B3, niacin, helps produce serotonin. B9, folic acid, essential for healthy red blood cell formation. If you take 1 tablespoon a day, blend it into a smoothie, your energy feels more stable. Mental fog decreases, sleep improves, focus gets sharper. Your skin, where aloe is a classic. Here, aloe vera is an absolute king. When applied to the skin, it soothes burn pain thanks to its glycoproteins. It speeds regeneration by stimulating fibroblasts. It prevents peeling and post-burn hyperpigmentation. It deeply hydrates because it penetrates all 3 layers of the skin. For acne, apply pure gel before bed. It reduces inflammation without drying you out. For psoriasis, it calms flare-ups, hydrates, and softens scales. For wounds, it prevents infection, supports new vessel formation, and improves healing. Your hair, hydration from within. Your hair benefits too. Aloe doesn't just coat the cuticle like commercial conditioners. It penetrates down to the cortex where true hydration is needed. Benefits: less dandruff, reduced itchiness, hydration without greasiness, natural sebum regulation, better texture and shine. A great trick: mix 3 tablespoons of gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, apply for 45 minutes under a warm towel, then wash. Your hair will thank you. A myth you need to forget. There's a myth. Aloe reduces anxiety, helps you sleep, and calms stress. But no, aloe does not act on GABA, serotonin, or melatonin. It has no sedative compounds. What does exist is placebo, and the refreshing sensation when you apply it, which can feel relaxing, but not because it alters your nervous system. If you want evidence-based alternatives, ashwagandha, L-theanine, magnesium glycinate, aloe in your vision, an unexpected connection. Here's a lesser-known benefit. Aloe gel contains beta-carotene, vitamin A, essential for the cornea and tear film, vitamin E, protecting the retina from oxidative stress, zinc, transporting vitamin A from the liver to the eye, selenium and copper, supporting antioxidant function. If you experience dry eyes, slow adaptation to darkness, screen-related eye fatigue, aloe can help from both the inside and the outside. You can even use diluted cold aloe gel as eye compresses for 10 minutes on closed eyelids. Aloe vera is not a miracle plant, but it is a powerful tool if you know how to use it. Remember, the clear gel is your ally. The yellow latex is your enemy. And the difference depends on how you prepare the leaf. Use it wisely, respectfully, and always listen to your body. If you want more practical, scientific, easy to apply content, subscribe now. There's much more to discover together.